Hello, in this tutorial we're going to go over the different options. This is going to be a quick run through. We're going to go in further detail in the following videos. Now in every web page there's main components that basically stay the same in every single page, such as your menu, such as your footer, such as the color template and the color scheme of your site. These things, to make your life easier and to not have to change every individual page, can be all found in one area. In this case, you're going to go to your appearance section. As expected, the appearance is going to be on the left hand side menu. You may have to scroll down till you see an appearance link that has a little brush. Upon hovering over it, you're going to see an option that says push to cart options. Make sure to click that. You'll be taken to a page that has 6 different headings. Let's start with the first one that says getting started. In this case, you have different features such as responsiveness. Responsive is the site gonna look good on a mobile phone? You can turn that off if necessary. Is it gonna look good on a tablet? I don't advise you turning it off. You have other things that might not make sense, such as nice scroll, navigation arrows, use built-in SEO fields. For the most part, this would stay the same. The only thing I do recommend is changing your meta descriptions, but we'll go over that in a minute. You also have your sidebars. We can add different sidebars. This may be overwhelming also, but will be further explained in other videos. You have options for your blog, your portfolio, sliders, and in case you ever have to put your page under construction. You also go over layout. These things have to do with where your logo is, as you can tell. If you want a text logo instead, such as your grid layout, your background images, even your footer background images. You have things to deal with your header, such as changing your different menu looks, social icons, and if you need to link to the different social icons. And if you're programming yourself, you can go into the custom CSS and write your own code. And you're also dealing with things such as colors. Over here in the general outlook, colors deal with headers, divided into content, footer, slide, and top. I do advise that you get some advice from a designer when it comes to dealing with colors. Although there's not one color that's better than another, it's always great to make sure that you have a constant theme and that colors do mesh well. You can also deal with fonts here. You can pick different fonts of sorts. And if necessary, you can always purchase one of an import-export where one of our programmers will import files with the proper settings. Or if you want to save settings you had from before, you can actually export, copy, or download and then save the changes. So just to give you an idea of all the different options that you have that are basically huge factors when it comes to your site. Cannot stress enough that these things will, every single option here affects every page on your site.